Ever wondered how UI/UX designers create those seamless, intuitive, digital experiences? It all begins with understanding the user journey. This is essentially the path a user takes as they interact with a product or service. It's a story that unfolds as the user moves from initial contact through the process of engagement and on to a long-term relationship. This journey is crucial to UI/UX design as it helps designers see the product or service from the user's perspective. It's like stepping into the user's shoes and walking through their experience. This holistic view is invaluable for identifying key touchpoints, understanding user emotions, and spotting potential pain points. User journey mapping is a tool that visualizes this process, providing a roadmap for the design. It's like a compass that guides designers towards a more user-centered design, enabling them to create experiences that are not just functional, but also enjoyable and meaningful. By mapping out the user's journey, designers can better understand the user's needs, wants, and pain points, leading to a more user-centered design. Now that we know what user journey mapping is and why it's important, how do we actually create one? Indeed, the process of creating a user journey map is a fascinating exploration into the minds of your users. It all begins with defining the user persona. This fictional representation of your ideal user will guide you through the rest of the process. The persona is a composite of the user's demographics, behavior patterns, motivations, and goals. Once the persona is set, we move on to outlining the user's journey stages. These stages represent a sequence of events that lead the user from their initial interaction with the product through the process of engagement to a long-term relationship. Each stage is marked by the user's goals, motivations, and actions. Now let's delve into the meat of the journey, the touch points. These are the points of interaction between the user and your product or service. Each touch point is an opportunity to impress your user, to make their experience smooth, and to ensure they're achieving their goals. As we journey through these touch points, we also need to identify and understand the user's emotions at each stage. Are they confused, excited, frustrated? Capturing these emotions provides valuable insights into the user's experience, helping us identify areas of delight and points of friction. Speaking of friction, the next step is to identify pain points. These are the areas where users encounter difficulties or barriers to achieving their goals. By highlighting these pain points, we can focus on improving these areas and making the user journey more enjoyable and less frustrating. Finally, we visually represent this information in a user journey map. This graphic representation gives us a holistic view of the user's interaction with the product or service. It helps us empathize with the user, understand their needs, and design a product that truly meets those needs. With a clear map of the user's journey, designers can identify opportunities for improvement and create a more effective and engaging user experience. Sounds great in theory, right? But how does user journey mapping work in the real world? Let's delve into a few examples. Take Spotify, the popular music streaming service. They used user journey mapping to understand how users discovered new music by identifying key touchpoints like user playlists and song recommendations. They were able to enhance their recommendation algorithm, leading to a more personalized user experience. Or consider Airbnb. They used user journey mapping to streamline the process of booking accommodation. They identified pain points, such as complex booking procedures and unclear property details. By addressing these in their design, they made the booking process smoother and more intuitive. Then there's Nike. They used user journey mapping to revamp their online shopping experience. They identified that users were struggling to find the right size and style. By addressing these issues, they improved their website's navigation and product filtering, making it easier for users to find what they're looking for. As these examples show, user journey mapping can lead to significant improvements in UI/UX design, resulting in a more satisfying user experience. So, we've seen how user journey mapping can improve design in the short term. But what about the long term? Well, the long-term benefits of incorporating user journey mapping into the UI/UX design process are truly transformative. Journey maps serve as a compass, guiding the iterative design process and leading to continuous improvements over time. Consider this. When you have a clear understanding of the user's path, you can anticipate their needs and wants and design experiences that exceed their expectations. But it doesn't stop there. As user preferences evolve, so too should your designs. And that's where journey mapping really shines. It's not a one-and-done tool. Instead, it's a dynamic resource that you revisit, revise, and refine continually to mirror the ever-changing user behavior. In essence, journey maps are the gift that keeps on giving, enabling designers to create experiences that not only meet the user's immediate needs but also adapt and grow with the user over time. By understanding and addressing the user's journey, designers can create experiences that not only meet the user's immediate needs but also adapt and grow with the user over time.